here's the final image we'll be creating in this video. First, we need to select photos. We have a stark image of a girl, background image of a road, our kissing silhouette. Next, we need to mask out our girl here. I've gone ahead and created a mask selection already and saved it as an easily accessible selection. Now that we have our subject selected and we have the layer selected, we can go ahead and click this mask button on the bottom right corner of the window. Now we want to add our road image to the scene and reduce the opacity or the visibility down a bit so we can see through the image. Then we want to resize and place the image exactly where we want it over the image of the girl. To do this, use Command T, and then now we can easily scale this image down and move it into the right position relative to our girl image. Now we press Enter to lock in the change. Now, with the road image still selected, we can pull up our saved mask selection again and then click on the mask button on the bottom right to once again cut the image from the background. But in this case, our background is the image of the girl. Now we need to do some blending. So there's a few ways you can go about blending. For me and for this image, I like to use a simple eraser tool. I grab the eraser tool and then I bump the size up quite a bit and reduce the hardness to 0. So now I'll go in and gradually erase the edges of our road image and then blend it with the image of our girl. So we create more of that double exposure look. Next, we want to grab our third image and do the same thing again. Reduce the opacity, click Command T to resize the image, move it into position. And then we'll go ahead and blend these with the eraser tool. That's all for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'm Greg, and as always, may the pitch be with you.